me, the Fire Summit is the beginning. The fact of the amount of education you receive, this process has been tried and it's been proven time and time again.
What really differentiates this particular group is the people.
And everyone serves one another, and what your weakness may be, you are going to quickly find other people where that's their strength. And so we come alongside one another and just dovetail together in these projects.
If your goal or if your why is having some kind of financial security, financial independence, or the ultimate financial freedom, I think this is the great vehicle, this is the great way to achieve that.